welcome back. So how are you all? How are you all? I hope you all have enjoyed your Diwali vacation and you have scored good marks in your English exams, right? So now it is time to study again. So today we are going to start our chapter 7. Bravo Amir Aga, right? So bravo, what is bravo? Bravo is the word which is used whenever someone has done an exceptional job, when someone has won, or जब कोई जीत जाता है या किसी ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया होता है, then we use the word bravo to just tell him that you have been brave and you have done a great job. So Bravo Amir Aga is a chapter about two friends and how they help each other, and there is a beautiful story related to them. There is a boy Amir and he has participated in what? In a kite tournament, right? So do you like to fly kites, right? So there is a tournament in the city and everyone is flying kites, and this is a beautiful, you feel like you are there, right? This is a story which gives us a journey, a beautiful journey of a kite tournament, how a kite flyer feels and how he does his best to win, right? So this is the story and I hope you will understand it and you will love it, right? But before going to story, as we always do, we need to understand our new words. So what are the new words? Trumpetly. Now what is trumpetly? In a way that shows great excitement after a victory. Now trumpetly is a way in which shows excitement for victory. Suppose you wanted something, right, and you have achieved, and then how will you behave? That is what is trumpetly is. For example, you had a cricket match, right, with your rival class or with your, you can say, another school, and your team won, and then you started dancing and jumping, shouting, right, because of that happiness, because of that excitement. So there what you are doing will be considered as trumpetly. You are dancing trumpetly or you are singing trumpetly because of the excitement of the victory. जब हमारे जीतने के excitement को हमको express करने में we do something, some gestures, some singing, some jumping, shouting, hooting, all these comes under the word trumpetly. That is the actions which are performed, the way in which the excitement is shown from after the victory. जब हम कोई जीत जाते हैं, that we want it, and after that what we show, the excitement we show is related to trumpetly. Now the next word is gash. Now what is gash? A deep open cut. Gash is a cut which is being can be done by any sharp thing, right, like knife, or so we have a deep cut, a sharp deep cut is called gash. Now another word, the third word is de-windle. De-windle, what is de-windle? Grew less in size. When something grows less in size, suppose there were 10 dogs in the farm and then 5 of them were sent to the other village, or then there will be only 5 dogs. So the number grew less, numbers कम हो गए, अब सिर्फ 5 dogs है उस farm में. So de-windled का मतलब क्या होता है कि the numbers just came down. It was higher first and then it now has minimized or it has came down. Now the fourth word is havoc. Great destruction or damage. Havoc. What is havoc? It is great destruction or damage. Now suppose there is a flood in any state or city, then it causes so much destruction. कितनी तबाही damage मचाता है. Their vehicles are damaged, public properties are damaged, houses are damaged. So this is called havoc. So something which damages, right, or create a great destruction is called havoc. So great destruction and damage is called havoc, right? It may be done by anything. It may be by tsunami, it may be by high wind or gale, or it may be simply earthquake, right? So these are the havocs which are created. You can also say a small child who can create a havoc in his room, he will throw everything here, सारे सामान यहाँ फेंक दिया. So you can say that the boy created a havoc, that is he created a destruction because he had just messed up the room, right? So havoc is great destruction or damage. Hordes. Now what is hordes? crowds or large numbers. So crowds or large number, right? Crowds means horse means large number of anything, right? It may be crowds, that is many peoples, or anything like animals, large number of animals get it together, right, in a group. So you can say a large group. Horse is a large group. Favor, in support of somebody. See, favor means to support somebody. When I am in favor with you, that means I am supporting you. It may be in anything, it may be in conversation, it may be in working, in doing work, right? मैं जैसा चाहती हूँ वैसा अगर वो कर रही है तो she is favoring me. और if I'll favor him, I'll do what she want, right? So if I am in problem or I want something and if she gives me a favor, that means she does what I want, right? So favor करना मतलब किसी को support करना. It may be in anything. Intoxicating. The next word is intoxicating. So what is intoxicating? Making one feel excited so that one cannot think clearly. So when we are making someone feel excited, when we are so much excited, we are not able to think clearly. That is intoxicating. That is to make the vision blur, और thinking जो capacity होती है उसको clearly नहीं, उसको blur करना because of the excitement. So when someone is felt so excited, he just cannot think clearly. It may be negative or positive. कोई बहुत sad होता है, upset होता है, even then he is not able to think properly. And when someone is overconfident or so much excited about anything, then also sometimes his thinking becomes unclear. That is intoxicating. So that he can't think. That is you can say making one feel excited so that one cannot think clearly. तो ऐसी चीज के लिए जो हुई नहीं उससे पहले एक्साइट होते हैं, then we get used. So this is intoxicating. Taut, very tight. Taut is very tight situation. Mantu. What is mantu? Dear mantu, a tasty pastry. So mantu is a type of pastry. You can say a dessert, right? So it is a type of pastry. You love pastry, so this is a type of pastry. Like you have a chocolate pastry or you have cold pastry. So this is a type of pastry, a dessert, a sweet cake. Salvation. So what is salvation? The state of being saved from sin. Now the state, the position or the state, here the state is the state of mind. जो state of mind होती है salvation पे ऐसे टाइम पे पहुंच जाती है जहाँ पर हमको कोई भी we don't need any worldly things, right? जब हमको कोई भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, that is salvation. When we are above the worldly things. See, Gautam Buddha has reached salvation. To reach salvation is not easy. Salvation का मीनिंग होता है कि सारे सीन्स. What is sin? Sin is the bad deeds, right? The things with which we are connected to the words, we are above that. Our state of mind is that we don't want anything, and we are not happy, we are not sad, we are nothing, right? We don't have any feeling, we are just calm, peaceful. That is the stage of salvation. Now redemption. Redemption is also a word similar to salvation. It means state of being freed from one sin. जिससे हमारे sin से हमें freedom मिलता है. Salvation, redemption are similar words. Now endure, more patiently, right? Endure means to you can say endurance. That means आपका power, जब आपको problems जो होती है, when you get problems, you just suffer them and you endure them. That is, you just face them. So endure is to facing the problems, right? So more patiently, that is silently facing the problems, you can say. So endure is to silently face anything. Loop, move in the shape of loop. See, loop means a circle, right? So it may be a circle or it may be any closed figure is a loop. So when we move in the shape of the loop, it is called loop. Maneuver. What is maneuver? To move or turn skillfully. Maneuver is to move or turn. जब कोई चीज़ को हम skillfully, properly, with a talent, skillfully turn करते हैं, that is called maneuver. So that without hurting it, right? Gladiators. Now what are gladiators? In ancient Rome, man trained to fight in the performances. So in the ancient Rome, there were one of the thing of entertainment that the wrestlers would fight and the public would cheer and come money. This was a form of entertainment, and that time the people would cheer for the gladiators. Right? So gladiators are the wrestlers, you can say, that are trained to fight in the performances. Now panting. Panting is breathing quickly with short breaths. When we are excited or when we are tired, we just breath slowly, right? Quickly. एक तो हम quick breath करते हैं और short breath करते हैं. That is called panting. So these are the words we have learned today. So let us one more time just revise it because they are somewhat different what we have learned earlier. So let us have a quick recap. What is trumpetly? Trumpetly in a way that shows great excitement after victory. So trumpetly is used, the word used to show the excitement, right, after victory, after you win anything. Gash, it is a deep cut by any, you can say it is a deep open cut. If I just use a knife here, what will I have? I will have a cut here. So this is gash. It is deep and it is open. So deep open cut is a gash. Bewildered, that is grew in less size. That is, if it is larger, then it will become smaller. Havoc, great destruction or damage, and it can be done by anything. It is a destruction or damage. Hordes, what are hordes? Crowds or large numbers. So crowds, the crowd of people, it may be children, the crowd of children or crowd of persons or anyone, and or crowd of anything, right, in large numbers is called hordes. Then next word is favor, in support of somebody. When we are in the state of supporting somebody, we are saying in support of somebody. Intoxicating, making one feel excited so that one cannot think clearly. Now intoxicating का मतलब क्या होता है? We are making someone feel excited that one cannot think clearly. Taut, very tight. Mantu, a tasty bit. Taut, what does it mean? To hold it tight, right? Or the situation is very tight, tense, you can say. Mantu, a type of pastry. It is a type of dessert. Salvation, the state of being saved from a sin. Redemption, the state of being freed from one sin. Endure, bore patiently. Look, move in the shape of look. Manure, to move or turn skillfully. So endure is when we face problems patiently, that is enduring, right? The capacity of endurance is different for anyone. Someone doesn't get angry easily, right? So they have good endurance. उनका patience level ज़्यादा है. Look, to move in a shape of look. Manure, to turn or move or turn skillfully. Gladiators are the person which were trained. Here in this chapter, gladiators are related to the person that fight in the performance. And panting is breathing quickly with short breaths. So I hope you have understood what I have taught you today. And now we are going to start our chapter. So before starting the chapter, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever tried to win something and you have tried your best? ऐसा कुछ है कि you wanted it and you have tried your best to do it, right? Have you done it? Do you remember the, I can say, a situation which is common for all I'll discuss is when you learn the cycle, right? So first of all, when you were small and you had a cycle, see, you have a balancing wheel, that doesn't mind, but first time when you're sitting on a cycle, you get scared. Your father is with you or your mother, they help you, they support you, they say you will not fall down, and you then slowly learn it, and then you just practice and you do and you try your best to learn, and then when you learn, you are really happy. So this is one of the example which is common for all, but there are so many examples, there are so many things that you always want to do and we can't do for any reason it may be, but when we do it and when we win it, then the feeling is different, right? So here is also a boy named Amir, right? And he is very simple boy. He's not he's not like a smart boy and everyone's like him. No, he's very simple boy. And now he had decided to win the tournament of the kite flying, and he is doing his best. He faces so many problems, even though he doesn't let those problems to make him lose, right? This is his determination, this is his concentration level, and his determination, that is what make him win. So this is the story of Amir. We will discuss it in our next video for this, and please read this chapter and write the new words 2 times. We will beautiful story of a boy trying to win the tournament. Does he win the tournament or does he lose? We will see in our story. So this is all for today. Thank you.